automatic car wash. This is what you need. Look at that. You just pull your car in and the machine goes up and down past your car. Alright, check it out. We're next in line over here. Buy 4, you get 1 free. Check it out. It moves in and out past the car, scrubbing it, putting soap on it, and then rinsing it, and then blowing dry. Comes out pretty nice. What's the price of this car wash, Mike?
What?
How much is the price of this car wash? $12. Look.
12.
All right. Got a lady over here. She's telling you what to do.
Take my fucking card,
Check it out. Oop, don't curse. Now, this guy's got his car scrubbed. So now, you see how the red light up top is flashing? That means stay there, don't move. Going back again. Does a hell of a job.
Validate.
Alright, just to let you know, this is a pretty cool car wash. Oh, it's taking it in. Bye.
I went with the $8 one.
Look, top, sides. Pretty cool, right? Now it's rinsing. After the rinse, now we're gonna get blown. I mean, it's gonna blow it. Blow dry, blow dry. See how it's moving? Alright, there you go. Automatic car wash. Sit there and don't move until the green light comes on. Then you pull out. Bye.